In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Wix landing page. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pick a strong starting template, open it in the editor, and customize the text and fonts so your page looks clean, on brand, and ready to convert. To start, head to Wix Studio. This is the workspace where you'll find professionally designed templates and the editor you'll use to customize your page. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access everything you need. Once you're in, look for the option to explore all templates. This is the fastest way to browse designs built specifically for different goals. You can filter by category or search for landing page to narrow things down. As you scan options, focus on structure. A clear hero section with a strong headline, room for benefits, visuals, and a prominent call to action. Remember, a landing page should be simple and focused. When a template catches your eye, preview it, click through the sections, and imagine your content in place. Check that the layout fits your goal, whether that's signups, downloads, or bookings, and that it looks good on mobile. A design that's lightweight, uncluttered, and fast will perform best. Once you've found the right fit, select it and proceed. You'll land on a summary screen confirming your choice. From here, open the template in the editor by clicking Edit. The Wix Studio editor will load with the full page ready to customize. Take a moment to get oriented. You'll see tools for selecting elements, editing styles, and arranging sections. Hover over items to reveal handles and options and use the toolbar to adjust settings. You can now start customizing your landing page. Replace placeholder images with your own visuals, update colors to match your brand, and remove any sections you don't need to keep the page focused. Keep your primary call to action above the fold, so visitors see it immediately, and maintain generous spacing for readability. Next, change the text. Click on Headlines and Body Text to edit directly on the canvas. Lead with a benefit-driven headline, add a concise subheading that clarifies value, and use short, scannable lines in supporting sections. Update button labels to action-oriented phrases like Get Started or Download Now. Keep copy consistent with your offer and avoid jargon. Finally, adjust the fonts. Choose a clean, readable typeface for body text and a complementary typeface for headings. Set consistent sizes and weights to create hierarchy, and apply these styles throughout the page. Check contrast for accessibility and preview on mobile to ensure text remains legible and well-spaced. That's it. Your Wix landing page is set up with a solid template, your own text, and typography that elevates the message.